Is your Honda in need of repair? Planning to visit an honest Honda repair shop that delivers high-quality work and great service? Look no further than Arrowwood Automotive. Welcome to Arrowwood Automotive, the leading Honda repair shop in San Antonio, Texas. With over 23 years of experience, Arrowwood Automotive is a top-rated Honda repair shop in San Antonio, Texas that has been offering quality work at reasonable prices. We use the latest diagnostic equipment to guarantee your Honda vehicle is repaired or serviced properly and in a timely fashion. We only use quality replacement parts, and our technicians are certified. To make sure you and your family are driving a vehicle that is safe and contact us at 210-495-7763 or visit arrowwoodauto.com.